Okay, so here we are at my favorite spot to Railfan. We got 3 tracks there, 1 track there. Got some tanker cars and some rock cars, or storage there. Some CSX freight yards around the corner right there. And Amtrak comes around the corner there, or all the way down that way. Only on this track. There's a little railroad crossing here. And there's the West Albany Pocket Park. There's a big slide over there. There, you see that. And the interstate's over there. There's a little mushy marsh thing over there. The signals. And let's see if we get lucky enough to see a train go by. Let's find out. We have a train coming! It's the Amtrak Lakeshore Limited. Let's wave to him. It's got a private car there. Here it goes. It's a railroad crossing. It's far away and I can hear it from my house. The signal's turned off. Just on. So, there's my Railfan for today. Let's begin another one.